What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So it is currently 7 a.m. Just finished writing some stuff down, as you guys saw. Just things that I kind of been thinking and contemplating on doing. Well, first of all, I'm kind of looking into getting a new vlog camera. I've been really feeling that Sony ZV-1, I think it's called. I've been watching a bunch of reviews on it, and I think it would be such a great add onto my sort of like tech part of things, you know. I currently have the 6400 that I use, which is a Sony as well, and then I used to have the Sony 6000, and now I'm thinking about adding this one onto my little sort of like camera gear stuff, just because like the 6400, I have quite a big lens, so every time that I need to go shoot outside or just like shoot these vlogs, it's just so heavy and so big. So I think the Sony ZV-1 would be great, but yeah, we'll see. I'm still kind of like looking at prices and seeing when it could potentially go on sale for me to cop. But yeah, today it is it's Tuesday today, so the stuff that I was writing down, I usually do that on Mondays, but I didn't get the time to do it on Monday, so I'm doing it today. But yeah, also been thinking about like joining a boxing training club. Now the private sessions are pretty expensive, to be honest, so I might not do it right away. Maybe towards the fall/winter season I might pick up some boxing, just because I'm just really tired of training weights and running, or I feel like I kind of want to use my energy elsewhere, you know, just maybe pick up a sport, just because I'm not playing. Like growing up, I played so many sports. Like I played soccer, rugby, basketball, tennis, like I played all kind of sports, right? But now, you know, as you get older, you're just not playing as much. So yeah, just been thinking about like a sport I can pick up, and yeah, I'm thinking either kickboxing, Muay Thai, or boxing. So we'll see. And one thing I actually want to mention is I started using this for my sleep yesterday. And so I struggle with sleep quite a bit. Like I find myself waking up in the middle of the night a lot. I don't know if you guys have any suggestions on like how to improve your sleep. Definitely leave a comment down below. But I started using this Moon Juice recently. I started using it yesterday, and surprisingly I slept really well. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, let's go pick up some coffee. I just picked up my coffee, and well, first of all, I'm never going back there. Yo, this coffee cost me like $5. That is just ridiculous. This is a large Americano, all black. But yeah, it was like I think $4.20 or something. I was like, whoa, that is way too expensive. But anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this and study, and then I'll check in with you guys later. All right, so it is currently 1 p.m. I just finished doing some work this morning. It was pretty busy for me. So I thought I'll do a quick unboxing of this Axel Arigato package that recently came in. It's a pair of sneakers, I believe, and a sweatshirt. So I'll show you guys what it looks like, how it fits, and potentially even style it. So yeah, stay tuned. So we have the Axel Arigato sneakers. Man, they fit so comfortably. Love these, man. And you guys know, for you guys that have kind of been following me for a while, whether it's on Instagram or here on YouTube, you guys know that I usually tend to gravitate more towards derbies and sneakers. But just like slowly, I've kind of been incorporating some sneakers that I personally like and that I kind of feel like can go with some of the things that I already have in my wardrobe. And so far it's been great, man. I think like this summer is a summer where I've like really invested in like a good pair of shorts, a couple good pair of shorts, some sneakers, just to kind of like make my wardrobe a little bit more versatile and to kind of just, you know, push my style a little bit more. So these Axel Arigato sneakers are definitely gonna be my go-to for the summer season. I love these, man. I've been rocking a lot of like white sneakers with just white socks and a nice pair of shorts. Like here I have these We Young Me shorts. I'm gonna do a recent pickups video soon. Now honestly, I don't tend to do those a lot because I don't necessarily enjoy kind of sharing too much like consumerism in a way. Like I've really been trying to not shop as much, use what I have in my wardrobe and make it work. And secondly, you know, I'm lucky enough to sort of like do this sort of like YouTuber thing and Instagram. So a few times here and there I get brands sending me stuff, which is really nice and helpful. So yeah, so shout out to Axel Arigato for sending me these pieces. I love the sweatshirt as well. Like I feel like it fits absolutely amazing. Nothing that I love sort of like the boxy shoulders, the cut of it is absolutely great. I went with a size large on these. I'm gonna leave a link down below for any sort of like sizing. If you want a link to where to purchase these pieces, it's gonna be in the description down below. But yeah, man, absolutely love these sneakers. Obviously you can see the silhouette sort of resembles sort of the Balenciaga Track Runner. So, you know, I'm pretty sure a lot of brands have sort of been modeling that sort of chunky vibe look. Which I'm not mad at. You know, a lot of the times, like when it comes to trends, like I've told you guys, for me, man, if it works for you, definitely wear it. It doesn't matter if it's a trend, as long as you know how to incorporate it in your wardrobe, you'll be more than fine. So yeah, shout out to Axel once again. Thank you for the sneakers and the sweatshirt. It is highly appreciated. This is definitely a good piece to have in my wardrobe. And yeah, and then the sneakers speak for themselves. Chunky, white pair. I went with my regular size. I'm usually between a size US 9 and 9.5, so I went with a 9 and they fit perfectly fine. All right, so just having a shot of espresso before I head to the gym. I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna head out. But yeah, man, this is probably going to conclude today's video, guys. I'm gonna leave some shots of my workout at the end, so if you wanna kind of skip that, this is gonna be it on the video. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, guys, like, you guys already know, man, I am so thankful for you guys just tuning in and watching all these videos that I've been putting out. So highly appreciated. As always, make sure to subscribe if you did enjoy the content. Leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see. Let me know if you're enjoying these vlogs, because I genuinely love making them, because I feel like they're a bit more authentic. They kind of show what I get up to during the day and the things that I'm into. So yeah, drop a comment down below if you would like to see more of this. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, GREGNTORE. I'll see you guys in the next one.